Hi everyone, it's widely recognized that meditation is a great practice to reduce anxiety. But now we have a new study show us that meditation in brief daily meditation enhance attention, memory, mood, and emotion regulation in non-experienced meditators. It's a great information because uh, all every time here in my channel I am telling the people how important is meditation. Meditation is an ancient practice that cultivates a calm yet focused mind. However, little is known about how short practical meditation practice affect cognitive functioning in meditation naive population. To address this question, this Dr. Sus Suzy randomized subjects aged of 18 for 45 who were non-experienced meditators into either a 13 minutes daily guided meditation sections or a 30-minute daily podcast listening session control group for a total duration of 8 weeks. We examined the effects of the daily meditation practice relative to podcast listening mood, prefrontal and hippocampal functioning, baseline cortisol levels, and emotion regulation using trial social stress test. Compared to our control group, we found that 8 but not 4 weeks of brief daily meditation decreased negative mood state, enhanced attention, work memory, and recognition memory, as well as decreased state anxious score on TST. Furthermore, report that meditation-induced change in emotional regulation are more strongly than linked to improve affective state than improve cognition. This study not only suggests a lower limit for the duration of brief daily meditation need to see significant benefits in non-experienced meditators, but suggests that even relatively short daily meditation practice can have similar behavioral effects as longer duration in high intensity meditation practice. It's a good news because it's so important to us to stay in contact with the new research about meditation, and this is a study published now is very important for us to reaffirm our commitment to meditation. Dr. Wayne Suzuki is a neuroscientist from New York City University, and this paper was published in 2019, in January 2019. So we have evidence that meditation, a brief daily meditation, is very important to keep our mental health. It's good news. I hope you enjoy this information. You start to practice this a long time. Like I said, meditation is ancient mindfulness practice that stems from Buddhism and Hindu cultures, where the practitioner intentionally engages the mind by bringing increased awareness of thoughts and feeling. Many different types of meditation practice exist, but we are trying this my channel to focus attention, and meditation encourages concentration on a single object, such as breathe, or part of the body, external object, while you all the time you are encouraged meditation, non-judgment and non-attachment, monitoring all things coming into our conscious awareness. So it's very important to train your attention, because attention and you monitor your um, capacity to pay attention is very important to be healthy, your mind to be healthy in a long period of time, and reduce uh, symptoms, anxiety symptoms. It's not cure anxiety, because the mainly technique to cure for you to free from symptoms of anxiety is psychotherapy. So you could keep in touch with me through this contato at pauloantonioalmeida.com.br, and if you want to take psychotherapy with me, please join me, or in my Instagram, Dr. Paulo Antonio Almeida, you see my you could send me a message and you could start the psychotherapy with me. But very important, I have to insist that how scientists have theorized that meditation may produce these beneficial effects, but by enhancing emotional regulation and the ability to control our emotional state. And so meditation is associated with a decreased physiological response during the view of stressful film, decreased emotional indifference during the emotional indifference task, and decreased self-reported difficulty in regulating the emotional state. So the hyperstimulation of hormones of stress is the main cause of symptoms of anxiety, and meditation improve affective state, executive functions such as attention, working memory, response inhibition, and cognitive flexibility, and that have been linked with the prefrontal cortex and recognition, memory, and behavioral pattern separation functions that have been linked with the hippocampus. Furthermore, we predict that compared to controls, meditators will demonstrate enhanced emotional regulation in response to an acute psychosocial stressors. Important, so important, this kind of information. And I have to tell you, this is training meditation in mindfulness predict that those individuals who show the greatest reduction in stress responsivity would show the largest gains in mood and cognition. Well, I think it's very important to do, and is significant exercise. Meditation is a great technique. If you have doubts, please read this article, because it's easy to find the internet, and start to practice your meditation, daily meditation. You start with three minutes meditation. Here in my channel, I have the 10 minutes meditation and 3 minutes meditation. We start beginning. We could beginning with a short period of time, and day by day you improve the duration of meditation. You feel much better after that. Thank you for watching me. See you and subscribe my channel. See you. Bye bye.